bakit hindi ko mo pa rin mapakinggan ng diretso o mapanood yung mga nangyayari?
Mahirap naman to watch it talaga because almost halos lahat ng tinanong ko sa kanila, halos everything, it really did not come from deep down within. It didn't really come from what I was thinking, what I was feeling. So nahirapan talaga ako mag-deliver yung mga questions and like watching it ulit, this is not me. This is not what I really felt. I felt so bad asking those questions to Chantel, telling her, willing ka ba mag-tap out? Because
Oo kasi sobrang minamanipulate ko talaga yung mga housemates para nga makapagbahas. Kaya lang, it's a task given to you, di ba?
Exactly. This is something we're doing not for a good cause. This is for charity. This is so we can help the people. So I just feel really bad using my girlfriend's name to hit below the belt and tell her, like, if you tap out, it's an apology to my girlfriend. It's not. It really isn't. And I really feel bad about that talaga.
Correct. Pero narinig naman naming lahat, sabi mo kay Chantel, roar, Chantel, roar. Ape, anong pagkakaintindi mo doon?
Tiger yata siya.
Tiger ka ba? Ano ibig sabihin ng roar? Kasi ang dami naman na namin nababasa sa Twitter na kung ano ibig sabihin nun, pero mas maganda kung sa'yo manggagaling, honey.
Roar naman, I mean, you could take it any way you want talaga. Pero there's really only one definition for it na parang lumalaban siya talaga. She was shouting at us, she was standing up straight. And also, yeah, there's other definitions for it na parang
Yung totoo,
it also means, I love you.
Ganun pala yun. Sabihan ko nga sila yung mga kapitbahay ko, rar, rar. Sabihin ko sila, aso ba yan?
Ang ganda nun kasi doon pag sinabing roar, parang galit ka kaagad or strong and feisty. Pero ang ibig sabihin pala nun, I love you.
I love
Alam
you.
ni Chantel na yun ang ibig sabihin nun.
Yeah, that's sort of our thing. Pero
Yun na.
yun na nga. It's something, I think, dinosaur language ata.
Roar
Roar means I love you.
Tapos, so alam niya yun, sure ka narinig niya yun?
I hope so. I really hope so. Because I felt like nung nakita ko na umiyak siya after, I really hope it wasn't because of me. I really hope she understood. And it's like,
Malamang sa'yo yun, no? Ikaw nagtatatanong sa kanya.
I know. That's why I said it. That's why I really hope na narinig niya. At she knows na, I really hope na nabasa niya ako. Like, she read through me. She understood na, ayoko talaga. But we had to. It was something we had to do, really.
Ay, kung ako yun, ma-hurt ako kahit anong sabihin mo.
I know.
Buang ka. Nasaktan mo ko para dun sa ano. Sakit yun,
Hindi lang kay Chantel, pero kay girlfriend ko din na ginagamit ko yung pangalan niya para mag-tap out sa Chantel. Like, it's so heavy. Para sa akin, I could barely sleep last night. Pero, it's for a good cause. It's something we had to do.
Laban lang, di ba? Ganyan talaga ang hamon ng buhay. Roar ng Roar Team Online.